I'll need to check the under. All right, time to test this bolt. Looks bad. That's completely brittle. All right, these bearings are definitely seized. Checking the records. Okay, looks like a full replacement needed. This rust is worse than I thought.
Looks pretty deep.
Yeah, definitely needs bone dry, and the seals are completely. This is worse than I thought. All right, let's see what's going on with this radiator. This engine has definitely seen better days. That oil is pure sludge. I think this bolt is the problem.
Check the diagram again.
Verified. Let's start with the sockets. The schematics confirm the stress points here. Adjusting for rust on the main frame. Okay, here we go. It's stuck. Keep pulling. Got it. This is even worse than I thought. Look at the rust.
Almost there. Carefully, carefully. Yes. Into the box you go. Safely packed.
I've bagged and labeled the small screws and clips from the door panels, ready for reinstallation. All right, this piece needs a gentle touch. Got it. Now for the next one.
This is it, isn't it? The beginning. I think I've got it. It's really brittle.
Be careful, don't snap it. We need to trace this one.
All right, fuel lines are disconnected.
Got it. Watch for the spill. Keep lifting. Just a little more. Almost there. Careful.
The rust is heavier on this side than I expected.
Yeah, we'll need to reinforce it here. Watch this bolt. All right, stubborn, let's get this loose. Almost got it. Easy now, don't drop it. Got it. Still a lot of mud back here. Get this transmission tunnel first. Almost done. God, this is thick. Keep at it, we're almost through this section.
Keep the nozzle steady, work from left to right.
Adjusting the pressure now.
Good, the rust is blasting right off. Almost through this section. Looks good. Let's make sure it's clean.
Keep moving it evenly, just like we practiced. Got it, looks good.
Check this spot, needs another pass.
All right, let's tack this front corner in. Need to check the alignment here. Pull it there, got it. Solid, looks good.
Almost there. Just need to feel it now. Yes, that's perfect. Good.
تو کم می‌گوییم تا تشخیص را وضع کنید. Ford Mustang.
All right, just a little more force. There, got it. Looks like a good clean.
All right, let's see what's causing this. The valves are completely rusted. This isn't good.
All right, time for the assembly lube on this piston. Just need to get this bolt tightened up now. Time for an upgrade. These chrome covers will make it look sharp. Just need to tighten them down. All right, align the journals. Got it. And down she goes. Hear that clink? Perfect. Nice and solid. All right, first wire's in. Let's get these others plugged in now. That's better. Number 2 is solid. Time for an upgrade. These chrome covers will make it look sharp. Just need to tighten them down.
All right, intake manifold bolted down. Torquing this one to spec. Just need this last click. There, perfect.
Vou tracionar ici une face à brassement avec ce lance stretch. We'll remove that. You know the short form what's on the count.
All right, time to install the main gear. It needs to slide right over this shaft here, good and oiled. Lock it in place. Now for the smaller one.
Okay, here goes nothing. Nice.
They're working. All right, that one's solid. Now this smaller one goes here. Perfect, everything's clicking into place.
I'm routing the new wires through the firewall, keeping everything neat and organized. We're taping these looms up now.
Okay, the red caliper's on. Time to bleed the line. Steady, just right, perfect.
All right, caliper secured. Now for the rotor.
Looking good.
Just right.
All right, radiator's in position. Grab me that hose and the clamp.
On it, boss. Chains rattling.
Perfect, now let's connect this line. All right, radiator's in. Grab the hoses and clamps. Just need to secure this top hose and we're golden. Tightening it up, hear that? It's good and snug now.
All right, radiator's in. Secure the tank. Make sure it's snug, no play. Done.
All right, pressing down, make sure it's smooth right here. Keep that edge tucked under. Perfect, that's better.
Looks good to go. Okay, let's take it out. Time for a little elbow grease. Ooh. See that shine? Mirror finish. All right, let's hear it. Sounds perfect, ready to roll.
All right, let's see how this looks. Perfect. Just the right touch. All right, time to reveal the beauty. That looks perfect. Turn the key.
Time for a test run. Woo! Perfect idle, just the way I like it.